You publish a newsletter, but you want to make more money from it. How do you do that? We all know that the newsletter business is driven by advertising, but how do you find the right ads to run? The Substack and Beehive crowd will tell you that you should go find brand advertisers that want to reach your audience. They'll tell you to highlight your list size and engagement numbers, your open rate, your click-through rate. They'll tell you to pound the pavement to drum up advertising sales. And frankly, that's kind of making money on hard mode with your newsletter. We don't sell any brand advertising on MarketBeat, but we do make $3 million every single month on ads in our newsletter and on our website. So how do you do that? We generate actual sales for advertisers, and then they keep coming back month after month asking us to keep sending them more new customers. Novel thought, right? We actually only have one ad sales guys, and it's because we don't need to go find advertisers. They come find us. In the month of January, we made $336,000 promoting one offer. We drove 2,244 new customers, and there's still a week to go left in the month. And this is just for one offer and one advertiser. This isn't a fluke either. An offer hits like this at least once a quarter and just totally crushes it. So how do you kind of find these hot offers? First, you see who's already advertising on websites and newsletters like yours. You go visit somebody's website, you see what ads are running, you click around a bunch of times, and then you just see what ads show up over and over again. And then go check and see if these advertisers have affiliate programs where you can send them traffic and send them customers and get paid for each new customer you send them. You get a list of about 20 of these affiliate programs, you sign up for all of them, and then you test them. 19 out of 20 won't do anything special, but about 1 out of 20 of these offers will just totally crush it. Once you find out an offer that works or an advertiser that works particularly well with your list, you just keep sending it out over and over again until it stops working. Send it every day or every other day, put it in your newsletter, put it on your website. If you have SMS, send it out over SMS, put it on all your social media channels, and just share it until people get sick of hearing about it. And then once an offer stops working, you just move on to the next one and do the same thing all over again. That's how you make real money with your newsletter.